हेलो एवरीवन। आज के इस क्वेश्चन हम लोग देखेंगे हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द कंटेनर विथ मोस्ट वाटर। सो देर आर वर्टिकल लाइन्स ड्रॉन इन द टू एंड पॉइंट्स ऑफ ith and I0 to I height. So basically we have given one graph. Okay, so this is one graph in this way. So we have a vertical line which is drawn something like this. So we have to check that container. Each of the vertical line will two of the vertical line will combine together to make a container. So we have to find out the container which have the maximum water storage capability. Okay, maximum unit of water can be stored there. So let's see this example what is we are having. So this example says that, so in this example if we can see, it is very clearly showing that we have an input of height 1 8 6 2 5 4 8 3 7 and the maximum unit store from this point to this point, and so this is the container which is having the maximum store water. So basically how we find out is we have a 7 unit here, right? 7, and this is height is also 7, so 7. So we got this as a 49. So the 49 is the outcome. So basically the vertical lines are represented in array, and in case the maximum area of water that is being shown in the blue section. Now let's understand the approach how we can achieve this. So basically, suppose if I am having this graph and this is my index which I am having here as 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just taking one index here, this particular position, and this one. Okay, so first I will be choosing this area. So for this area my maximum area is this much, correct, which is nothing but 8 unit. So what water store I can take it as water as 8. This I will keep it with me. In the next attempt, what I'm going to do, in the next attempt I will be shifting my this area part, this particular index to 1. Okay, so if I've shifted my this index to 1, so now I got this point to this point, so my store area is this much, correct. So I will update my water to from 8 to 49, from 8 to 49. Now once I have updated to 8 to 49, let's move my index from this position, as I have to move it to the bigger end. So I will be moving 8. Okay, 8 I will be moving 7 or to 6. Okay, so now I will be getting this one as a point. So this area I will be having the water store. Here I can say it is, this is 5 unit and this is 7 unit, so it is going to be 35. Okay, it is going to be 35. So if it is going to, actually it is 8 unit till here. Okay, till here it will be, so it is going to be 40 unit. So I can see this is 40 unit, and this 40 unit is not bigger than the water which I have stored, which is 49. So I will keep 49 as it is. Now I will iterate for the next bar. So what at the end, what I will be getting, that my I index or x index and y index both are at the same point. So when both became at the same point, then my iteration will end up. Okay, so once my iteration ended up, whatever the maximum water I will be having, I will give it as a return. Okay, let's do the same thing in coding and we'll see how it works. So basically in this program we are going to write the maximum area which will be storing the vertical, that is maximum area. We are taking left and right of the height, and then we'll loop until the left and right will meet. Okay, with this while loop, and then we will be sorting the pole of the vertical lines, update the maximum area if it is required, and also if there is a longer vertical present, that we are going to check. Okay, so that we are going to check, and then we'll return the maximum height. Now we'll run this code and we'll check how it is going to be. Okay, so it throws an error, that error says that maximum area. So here I have, it's supposed to be m also, so let's run this. Okay, so here we got the output. Thank you so much guys, and do subscribe to Code for Placement. We'll meet in the next video.